You know those Instagram videos that show you the most amazing living rooms ever? Well, guess what? They are not real. They are all made by AI. I was so curious about how they do it, so I did some digging and found out that this Instagram page has almost 10 million followers and their videos get millions and millions of views. The best part is, they are super easy to make and you don't need to spend a dime. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI-generated living rooms and use them for whatever you want. It's up to you. Let's get started. We will do everything with the help of AI, from image generating to snow effect, and then music making. Let's start with image generation. We can use Midjourney if you have some money to invest, if not use Leonardo AI. We are about to create something mind-blowing. First of all, go to Leonardo AI, then log in or sign up. After that, click Create an Image. Then choose Dreamshaper V7. Make sure you change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then use the prompt you will find in the description of the video. After that, click Generate. It's that simple. You even get 150 credits daily and a commercial license for each image. After the images are generated, click on this icon to download them. So, there you have it. Midjourney or Leonardo AI, pick what you want to use. Now that we have the images, it's time to make those windows transparent. You can use Photoshop if you have it installed in your computer, but we're rolling with Photopea so everyone can follow. It's free and it's all online, no downloads needed. Start off by clicking Open from your computer and upload your AI-generated image. Now, check out the toolbox on the left. Click the polygonal lasso tool. Then zip around the corners of those windows until they're all connected. Then click the Delete key on your keyboard. That's it. The window extraction is completed. Trim it up until it's all transparent, and when the image is ready, hit File Export, pick the PNG style, rename the project, and click the Save button. Okay, now what's our next move? Picture this. Our video reference is rocking a winter village vibe with cute houses and snow as the backdrop. To match that, let's dive into the Describe function again. And here's the twist. We need an image for inspo. Head over to Adobe Stock. But before that, Windows 11 Pro is now generally available. We reimagined Windows 11 Pro to be the operating system for hybrid work. I encourage you to begin your Windows 11 Pro pilots and upgrades today for all eligible PCs with confidence that Windows 11 Pro is the most productive, most collaborative, and most secure version of Windows ever. Here are 4 ways invested to make you more confident than ever in Windows. 1. An upgrade that feels like an update and is easy to deploy and manage. 2. Backed by promise of app compatibility. 3. The most secure version of Windows ever. 4. Devices that meet your users' needs and your budget. Now let me show you how to get a key easily. Go to the Keysfan website that you will find in the description. After that, find the product you want to buy and click on Buy. Next, click on Add to Cart. After that, add this discount to get 50% off. Then, click on Proceed to Checkout. After that, enter all your information and select the payment method. Finally, click on Place Order, and you are good to go. Now let's go back to the video. Scout for a winter village gem, and bingo. Download it and bring it back to our Creative Hub. And go back to Midjourney and do the same thing we did earlier. Then you will get some good images. Next, it's time to blend our images. We are going to be using CapCut, free and user-friendly. Launch a fresh project, drag and drop the images onto the timeline. Put the snowy living room scene on top, then the winter village below. The next step is finding a snow effect. To do that, head over to YouTube, scout for some snow green screen. Once it's downloaded, drag and drop it into CapCut. Now, remove that green background with the chroma key option and select the color you want to remove, then increase the strength until the green background disappears, then go to adjustments and increase the saturation alongside the brightness, so we can completely get rid of the green color. Now make the snowflakes video a little smaller and copy-paste it multiple times, so it covers the entire video. Then go ahead and decrease the background image brightness. After that, go to YouTube and search for some winter or Christmas type music to add as a background, and make sure it's not copyrighted. Next, go to YouTube and search for a fire green screen. Download it to your device, then drag and drop it into CapCut. And repeat the same steps we did for the snow effect. Now let's make the same video eligible to be uploaded into short-form platforms like YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, and also TikTok. Start a new project on CapCut, then upload the video we made earlier. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then resize it to fit the whole screen and place it to the left side. Now go ahead and place the time bar into the left of the screen, then go to the video section in the up right corner and look for position and size. Then add a keyframe. Drag the timing bar to the end of the clip and add another keyframe. Now move the video to the right side and you are done. As you can see, the video is now moving. Let's see the end result now. That was it for this video. Make sure you subscribe and watch this next video if interested.